we had done some kind of questions based on degrees, radians, length of the uh, arc, area of the sector. Also, we had discussed polygons in which we calculated interior angles and things like that. We continue further, two, three questions more I want to do in this so that we can get over this chapter of the thing. The question they have given is the moon's distance from the earth. Sorry. The moon's distance, the moon's distance from the earth, distance from the earth is 360,000 kilometers. 360,000 kilometer. And its diameter and its diameter is diameter subtends an angle of 31 minute at the eye of an observer, at the eye of an observer, an observer. Find the diameter of the moon. Find the diameter of the moon. The question is something like that. Suppose this is moon. There. So the moon, and I want to rub it out. Okay. Black color. This is the moon. This is the moon. Now, some observer is there who observes from here a point O. This will be the diameter, and this is suppose the sector which it will make. So because the distance is so great, that actually diameter and the arc will be almost will be almost same. The diameter of the moon will be the same as arc APB, because we are at 36,000 kilometer away. Compared to the moon, we are far away, and the distance is far away, and compared to that, moon is smaller. So the distance is so much, so APB will be almost equal to the diameter of the moon. So how do I calculate the diameter of the moon? How do I calculate the diameter of the moon. Let us calculate the arc APB. It is making an angle of, what an angle it is making? 31 minutes, I think. It's making an angle of 31 minutes at the eye, 31 minute. And this distance is how much? 360,000. The distance is almost 360,000. The distance is, the moon's distance from Earth is almost 360,000 kilometer. 360,000 kilometer. It is almost 360,000 kilometer. So what are we going to do? How are we going to calculate? As I said, arc APB will be almost, I'm not writing equal sign, I'm writing three lines. It is almost equal to AB, as the observer is too far away. Observer is too far away. So first of all, we'll convert 31 minutes into degrees, and then we'll convert into radians, because we have to calculate the angle into radian. The angle at the central angle should be always in radian. So 31 minute will be equal to 31 upon 60. This will come into degrees and then multiplied by pi by 180 to convert it into radians. This is radians. So what will be the arc APB? Will be equal to, almost AB will be equal to R into theta. R is 360,000 kilometers into 31 upon 60 into pi upon 180 degree. He is taking pi to be 22 upon 7. Let's take pi as 22 upon 7. So 360,000 into 31 upon 60 into pi upon 7 into 180. Now whatever we can cancel, we'll cancel 2 zeros will cancel here. 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. 200 will be left. And 2 threes are 6. 200 will be left here. When you will multiply, it will come out to be 31 into 22 into 100 upon 21. When you will divide it, with your calculator and everything, you will get it to be 3247.61 kilometer. This will be the diameter of the Earth. This will be the diameter of the moon. Sorry, it is the diameter of the moon. The next question is, let's write the next question. What is the next question is? Next question, he has made two figures. One is the windscreen of a car. Just a moment, I want to do it correctly. Okay, I want to do it correctly. So let me draw. Okay, this is, I have got the windshield. Now in this windshield, what is there is that there is, this is 55 centimeter, This is 100 centimeter, and this there is an wiper. Wiper is obviously going to clean the, the portion of the windscreen. Let's assume this. This is the windscreen. This is 45 centimeter. This is 45 centimeter. The angle at the center is 8 pi by 9. It is 8 pi by 9. What he wants you to calculate is, the diagram shows a windscreen, which is, I can name it if you want. ABCD is a windscreen, and this is the wiper which has been shown. The wiper is, the length of the wiper is 45 centimeter. Obviously it is going to clean a sector. It is going to clean a sector only, whatever sector it is cleaning, of 45 centimeter radius, and that makes an angle of 88 pi upon 9 at the center. Now what he says is, what is the length of the arc swept out? What is the length of the arc? Suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R. So arc PQ will be R theta. We know what is the value of PQ. PQ is equal to R theta. The length of the arc is always calculated using the formula R into theta. R is 45. Theta is 8 pi by 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 8s are 40 pi. Now let me see in what does it want you to calculate. 40 upon pi, it is calculated the length of the arc is 40 pi, and pi if you take as 3.14, I have already multiplied, it comes out to be 125.6 centimeter, which is approximately 126 centimeter. So we have got the length of the arc which this wiper will be sweeping. Now he says the second part is, what area of the windscreen is not cleaned? Now the total area of the windscreen, total area of the windshield or windscreen, whatever you want to call the screen, will be 55 into 100. That is 5500 centimeter. This is the total area. Area of the sector. Which is the sector? You know what sector will be. This is the sector. PQR is the sector. PQR is the sector. PQRP is a sector, which will be half R square into theta. Half R square into theta. What is the radius? Radius is 45 into 45. And what is theta? Theta was 8 pi by 9. 8 pi by 9. It was 8 pi by 9. So let us cancel whatever we can cancel. 2 4s are 8, 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 20 into 45 will be, I think, 900 pi. Now again the value of pi is 3.14. So 3.14 multiplied, you will get 2826. You get 2826. You will have to multiply. I have already multiplied. That is why area is centimeter square here also. Area is centimeter square. So I have got the total area. I have got the area clean. So area not cleaned. Area not cleaned will be how much? 5500 minus 2826, which will come out to be 2674 centimeter square. 1064, 927, 1486, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the total question. We can see it once again if you like. The two questions I did, one is this area connected to the moon, diameter of the moon. The another I've done is connected to the area of the windshield. One more question I want to do, and that will finish your thing, at least regarding this chapter. Here he has given you a figure. Oh no, figure didn't come out right. I want to rub it. Okay, I want to draw a circle actually. Okay, I've got the right circle now. We have got a circle. Let me draw a line starting here to here. Let's come. If I join O the center line, okay, then I have alright, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. AB is here. Any chord. He wants the area of this portion. He wants the area of this portion. And what is he given? He has given the radius to be 24 centimeter. He has given the radius to be 24 centimeter, and angle at the center is 60 degree. This is 24 centimeter. So now let us see what can we do about this question. What I have to do is I have to calculate the area of the sector. Suppose I name it P, OAPB or OBPB, PA. Area of the sector I calculate. I calculate the area of the triangle OAB. From the area of the sector I subtract the area of the triangle. I'll get the shaded area. So first of all, let me calculate the area of sector. Area of sector OAPB. What is the area of the sector? The formula is half r square theta. Half r square theta, where theta has to be in radian. Remember that. Theta has to be in radian. So it will be half. What is the radius? Radius is 24 centimeter. 24 into 24. Theta is 60 into, I have to convert it into radians. So what should I do? Pi by 180. I'll do multiplied it by pi by 180. So 12 times it will go. 63s will cancel, and 3 8 24. So 12 8 120. 12 8 sorry 12 8 96. 96 pi. The value of pi is given as 3.14. So multiply 96 into 3.14, which will come out to be, I've already calculated it, is 301.44 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Now, how to calculate the area of the triangle? For the area of the triangle, let me drop a perpendicular from O to this. Suppose this is L. This is L. OL is perpendicular to AB. OL is perpendicular to AB. You know, if from the center of a circle a perpendicular is dropped to any chord, it bisects the chord, and also it bisects the vertical angle. So angle L will be equal to angle BOL will be equal to 30 degree. Also, AL will be equal to LB. Property. This is a property. This is a property of circle. This we will be doing later also. This we will be doing where actually I won't be doing in class 11 this thing you already done in standard 10 that if a perpendicular is dropped from the center of the circle to a chord, it bisects the chord and also it bisects the vertical angle. So we have got this angle AOL is 30 degree. Now in this figure I have to calculate the base first of all. I have to calculate the base L in this right angle triangle OLB, because this is perpendicular actually. BL is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In triangle OLB, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is always sine of angle theta. Perpendicular is what? LB. Hypotenuse is 24. Is equal to what? Is equal to sine of angle theta, sine of 30 degree. So LB will be 24 into sine 30, that is 1 upon 2, and it will come out to be 12. So LB is 12 centimeter. LB is 12 centimeter. So the complete base of triangle base of triangle will become 12 plus 12, that will be 24 centimeter. So I have got the base. I have to calculate the height now. I have to calculate the height OL. So base upon hypotenuse is cos theta. Here the base is OL upon 12 is equal to cos 30. So OL will be equal to 12 into cos 30. The value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So 2 6 are 12. 6 root 30. Right? 6 root 3. It is 6 root 3. 6 root 3. It is 6 root 3. It comes out to be 6 root 3. It is not 6 root 3. I think that should be 6 root 3 only. OL is what? Sorry. Oh, this is 24. This is OB is 24. OB is 24. That's what the problem is. OB is 24. OB is 24. This 24. So 24 into this 12 root 3. It is 12 root 3, and root 3 is 1.732. This is 1.732. I have already calculated 12 into 1.732. What is 12.1732? Let me see. Am I leaving it here? Okay. If I leave it here, 12 root 3 like he's showing. So area of triangle, which triangle? OAB. OAB will be half base, which is 24, and height is 2 root 12 root 3. So 2 6 are 12, So it will come out to be 144 root 3, and 144 into 1.732 we have calculated, that has come out to be 249.408 centimeter square, and we have already calculated this. So shaded area, what will become shaded area? In your figure, shaded area will be the bigger area of triangle OAB, area of triangle OAB minus area of sector, area, area of sector OAB. Sector is bigger. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector was 301.44. 301.44 minus 249.408, which approximately comes out to 52.032. 52.032 centimeter square. So we have got the complete area. Once again, what are we doing? Just let's see the questions once again. This is the circle given. There are two radii which are making a sector OAPB. They are making a sector OAPB, and the OB, the radii is 24 centimeter, and these two radii are making an angle of 60 degree. At the 60 degree is the central angle, and he wants to calculate the shaded area which is shown in the figure. For calculating the shaded area, what we do is first we calculate the area of the sector. Area of the sector is half r square theta. Half into r square, which is radius is 24 into 24, and theta is 60 degree. That will be changed into radians. It can't be in degrees. So that is changed 60 into pi by 180. If you look at that, 96 pi comes out to be. The value of pi is 3.14. So when we multiply 96 into 3.14, we get 301.44 centimeter square. Now the question is how to calculate the area of this triangle. We drop a perpendicular. We have done this while explaining the chapter to you, that let us drop a perpendicular here and then use trigonometry. Use trigonometry for calculating OL and LB. Once we have got LB, AL will be the same. AL and LB both are same because perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So I have got the value of AB. I have got the value of AB, which is 24, and I also got the value of the perpendicular, which came out to be, I think, 12 root 3. 12 root 3. So what happens is now area of triangle OAB is half base into height, half into 24 into 12 root 3. 2 6 are 12, it cancels, and then what do we get? We get 144 into root 3. 144 into root 3 means the value of root 3 is 1.732, which you can calculate from calculator, which you can use your tables also. 1.732, 144 into 1.732 when multiplied will give you 249.408. From the area of the sector, if you subtract the area of the triangle, which I have done it last, then I will get the area, shaded area. So we have done almost 13 questions based on this, 13 or maybe less, I don't remember, because at the end I don't remember what I have done, but you have the all the videos with you and you can go through it, and this will finish the chapter regarding sector, conversion of degrees into radian, radian into degrees, calculation of angles of convex polygons, area of the sector, anything which is in the shape of a circle like moon we calculated, or we say that we had tethered a horse and he goes around and you have to calculate the area of the grass eaten by him and things like that. There can be many questions which will be based on the circle, but basic idea is the same. And I'm sure you have understood. My time has already exceeded the, so I'm stopping now. Bye bye. See you in the next